Hi everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the Tommy always awake and his story. Sharp Painting. Tom slept late at night. Every night he makes an excuse not to go to bed. One night he said, "I wasn't tired, I couldn't sleep." The other night he said he wanted to watch TV. Other night he said, "First I put the piece of the puzzle together, then I sleep." Sometimes he gives strong excuses. And he said that a big elephant is hiding in the closet of my room. I'm afraid I can't sleep. He did everything to stay awake more. It was Christmas Eve. All children knew that Santa Claus would come to midnight and bring them presents. That night, Tommy had a new excuse to stay up. He said he wants to stay up to see Santa Claus when he comes. Mother said, "If you don't sleep, Santa won't bring your presents." But Tommy didn't accept his mother's words. He sat in bed with his eyes open and waited. Santa Claus was also sitting on the roof and waiting for Tommy to sleep. It was morning and Tommy was still awake. There was no news of Santa's gift because Santa was sitting on the roof all night. On Christmas morning, children all over the world woke up and said that Santa Claus had not brought them any presents. But it wasn't Santa's fault. It was Tommy's fault. On the same day, Tommy's text was printed in the newspaper. This boy stayed awake in the morning on Christmas Day and spoiled the children. Tommy was very sad to read this news. Suddenly, he heard his mother's voice. "What did Watch Santa bring you?" Tommy opened his eyes in surprise. There was some gifts by his bed. He shouted happily, "So I was dreaming." He told his mother, "Mom, I promise to sleep every at night from now on." Today our story is over. Do you sleep early or late at night? Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.